Georgia's longest ever criminal trial is finally close to wrapping up, almost a year to the day of opening statements.
Closing arguments in the ysl-RICO trial are set to begin as soon as Monday. And 11 Alive's Grace King has been following this case very closely for us, in and out of that courtroom so many times. So, Grace, how much is left here?
Up to 5 hours on the state side and up to 4 hours for the defense to sum up their cases. The judge hopes to get the jury deliberating before the Thanksgiving break.
These jurors, they are trying to live their lives.
In Georgia's longest running criminal trial, the jurors are ready to be released. They'll have to decide whether the defendants should be freed too.
Understanding this case has been going on a year. There's a lot for the jury to have to remember.
Judge Paige Whitaker granted a rare directed verdict on at least 3 drug and gun charges in the YSL case.
The judge will have a specific question that they're to disregard. These cases have been removed from your consideration. You're not to consider that for any purpose whatsoever. They're just not before you.
But jurors will still have a lot to consider. The 2 remaining defendants, Shannon Stillwell and Diamante Kendrick, face life in prison if convicted.
There's been so many things that have happened throughout the past year. Who knows what actually stuck with them or did not stick with them.
Attorney Chuck Boring, who isn't affiliated with this case, says the RICO charge is tough to simplify. It's one of the reasons the judge is allowing up to 9 hours of closing arguments.
There are different layers of what you have to prove with predicate acts, those types of things. And so it's more difficult to have to explain.
In 2015, then prosecutor Fani Willis took 3.5 hours for her closing arguments in the APS cheating scandal, another complex and lengthy RICO case.
With the APS case, it was difficult explaining, and you had a number of defendants. Here you just have 2. So maybe they don't have to spend as much time on that.
Now, there's no court today, so attorneys can finalize jury instructions and verdict forms, but judges will be back in court by 8:30 Monday morning.